my name's Leah. I'm from Canada. I have been traveling with my husband for the last 5 months, and I can say without a doubt that this has been the most incredible volunteer experience ever. So they're opening up a animal release center just nearby. We've gone to it several times. Really cool center. So one of the things we've been working on is just trying to identify the different bird species that are in the area. If they are to be releasing birds in that area, they need to know this bird actually lives in the wild. So we went out and we looked for some birds, and it's just awesome getting to see the different birds in the area, identifying them, going as a group and being like, oh, there's a bird, and then trying to take a picture and identify it as best as you can. So